Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to my shop. Well, this is my new channel introduction, and I wanted to talk about what you can expect from my channel. I started making videos about almost a year ago, not quite, and I actually have over 100 videos out there now. So, what are they about? Well, they're about what you do in a shop, and they're about how you can do something different then probably most of the time when I think about how to do things, I kind of break the mold. I call myself an OTB thinker, outside the box. And a lot of my videos are based on that. If you look at any of my videos up to now, you'll see that most of the things that I show you are things that I've figured out or have done or I've learned over the years. If you ever remember working with somebody and you say, boy, I wish I could work with that guy for a while, I learned an awful lot, little things from him. But at the same time, he is a pain in the butt. But you learn from what they already know. And sometimes it's hard to relate those things of what you've learned to somebody else. So I probably have forgotten as much as I supposedly have learned. But in reality, I do remember them when I need to use them. I don't remember them to necessarily just start talking about them. And so what I do is I show you different things that I do in my shop, and I try to explain why I do it or how come it works better the way I do something. And sometimes you're going to say, oh, that's a great idea. Well, I think I might have to try that. Or maybe you might say, you know what, if he does it this way, it'd actually be better. And so it gets you to thinking and doing something in your shop and making it better for you. And that's what I like to think that I help you do eventually, that you'll be able to evolve your shop to be what you want. Sometimes you're actually going to look at it and go, I already knew that. But not everybody does. And then sometimes you'll even say, that's lame. You just wasted my time. But I will guarantee you one thing. If you subscribe to my channel and watch the videos, there's 3 things that you can expect. First off, I go straight through it, no nonsense. I don't edit videos. I just show you things that go on. So I cut to the chase pretty fast, and I try not to ramble on. Okay, sometimes I do ramble. But you will be able to learn from the videos. Not every time. There's going to be times when you're not going to learn. There's going to be times when you're going to be glad. But I guarantee you that if you watch the videos, sooner or later, you'll see something and you go, oh, that's not a bad idea. And so that's what all I'm trying to achieve here with my videos, is to show you all the different things that I have done and learned over the years myself. And some of it, I'm actually still learning as I go through. The other thing that you probably can expect from me is that I'm actually very active on YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube. I am retired. I have my shop. I'm out here 7 days a week doing something. Or nothing, which is doing something when you're retired. So you should be able to pick up a lot of good ideas over time. Also, if you go back and watch a video over again, all of a sudden you'll hear something in and say, oh, I don't remember him talking about that idea. That's actually not too bad. I find that happens to me all the time too, and it always has. So I suspect that happens with you too. So that's why I reread my old Shop Notes magazines over and over again. And I've mentioned that in a video. It's because I'll read it a third, fourth, fifth time a year later, and I'll go, that wasn't in that magazine when I read that. You'll find that too with these videos. There's a lot of little things that you might be able to pick up and use in your shop. So you're welcome to use the ideas I have. If you think that it's not worth the time you spend on it, that's okay too. But if you subscribe, that's the sort of thing you expect. And if you have a question about anything I have, this is one thing I have tried to achieve that a lot of YouTube providers don't, is I try to respond to every comment as quick as I can, usually within a couple hours. But sometimes it's later on in the day or the next day, but not too often. But I do read every comment as it stands now, and hopefully I always will be able to. So if you have a question or an idea that you want to bounce off me, and figure out how to do something that you haven't quite figured out, I'd be more than happy to discuss it. If it's a complex item and I have an idea that I think is a helpful idea, I'll actually turn it into a video for you so that you can see it in its detail and make full judgment, and everybody else will kind of see what it is too then at that time. So a good example of that is my when I did a subject, a person asked me one time about how to cut plywood in a very small shop. He was moving into a small shop that was slightly smaller than a single car garage, and he's just thinking cutting full sheets of plywood would be a nightmare. And actually 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I would have agreed with that. But I finally, when he said that, I thought about it for a couple of days, and then I put together an idea of how to take my styrofoam 2x4s that I created and turn them into a easy panel saw setup so that you can take a large sheet of plywood and break it down easily without having to dedicate a huge amount of area for a panel saw in your shop. And that's just one of the many things that I like to think that I can come up with solutions when somebody asks me. And if I can help it that way, I'll be more than happy to. I won't always have the answer, or maybe the answer I have will say, I don't think so. That's okay too. But I think I'm very confident when I say that no matter what, if you watch my videos, you're going to pick up little tips here and there that you will apply to your own shop as you evolve your own workshop to be what you want it to be, which is really what it's about. So anyway, that's what you can expect here. I hope to give you more of that. And actually, every now and then, I might actually be funny and make you laugh. Who knows? So come on along. If you have any comments about this, leave them below. Don't forget to like this video if you do. But most importantly, come back again because we're nowhere near done around here. Thanks, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye.